It was all fun and games until I got broke on the hammock.
Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. I'm starting this video out with some self-care. We just decided to go out in the morning. It was like 8:30 in the morning and go for a walk, and we discovered a new park near my home.
Have any of you ever seen a playground like this? How cool is this? Made out of wood. It's very artistic.
If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I am Kim, K-Y-M, and I love to create content pertaining to home life. So whether it be like working on cars, cooking, cleaning, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please don't forget to subscribe.
I don't really know what this is right here. What is this? Are you supposed to hide in there? Oh, it's like a hut. Is it a hut or something?
Yeah, you can go.
How cool is this little hut? I feel like it's a great imaginative tool for children. When they come, they can, kind of pretend anything they want. The scenery is beautiful and it's so relaxing.
There's some hammocks over here. Is it fun? Is it comfy?
Yeah.
It's comfy? Is this... Hold on.
You gotta sit first.
I'm scared.
You gotta sit first.
Yep, you sit first and hold it. Yep,
Like this?
yep. You ain't going nowhere.
This is comfy. Oh, look, it's pretty. There's a nest up there. Here's my view from the hammock. I'm digging it, y'all. Thought I was gonna fall at first. There's a nest up there. I think it's an eagle's nest. I'm just lounging. What?
In my last video, I created this abstract art. The last step is to spray it with this clear coat, and let me tell you, it really works. Don't ever skip this step. It looks so much better.
Please wake me up.
The sky is looking so gloomy on this day. I really wanted to get out to get some things done, but I waited until the next day. But I thought that I would just, put this amazing content in here because I love to see power washing, people painting, and lawn mowing. So here you go.
I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself and life.
Spring is in the air and it's time to work outside. I feel so at peace and at ease when I am planting flowers. Let me know what activities you're into for your overall mental health and self-care.
I see is darkness and gloom. Yeah, I've been running from my doom. Oh, la, na, 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 na. But now it's time to live my life. But now I know what I need to do. Can't stand right when it's blowing, pushing me down. Feels
In this spot and a few other spots, we used to have a little tree and 2 bushes. It's something that's standard that the development, the homeowners association people give to every person, but they just didn't look good. So my husband pulled them out and I never replaced it with any kind of greenery. So I was going to replace it with these elephant ears because I think they're so pretty.
I defeat them all. I never ever gonna hide no more.
Here are some of the other flowers that I'm planting today.
Again, again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go. And I start to believe in myself. And life will be sweet again.
I don't know about you, but for me, anytime I do any kind of activity, I work up an appetite and it's not enough to have a full meal. So I'm just going to make a little charcuterie board. What I like most about having this for a meal is you can put anything you want on it. You can put breads, meats, salads, whatever it is that you want, whatever your heart desires.
When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I've been running from my doom. Oh, na, 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 na. But now
Sometimes I want a charcuterie board for lunch, dinner. This is my lunch today. We got some blueberries, pineapple, honeydew melon, cantaloupe, mixed nuts, watermelon, kiwi, strawberries, and pepperoni, turkey pepperoni. so yum. This is gonna be good. I was gonna add some cheese, but there's no space.
But now it's time to live my life.
Today is the day that I am gonna paint this wall. In today's video, I'm going to be painting in my bathroom, some stencil paint. It's a long time coming. I've been wanting to do something with this bathroom and I've just never been able to figure out what it is that I want to do. So eventually there's going to be an entire makeover. First things first though, before you paint, you definitely want to be sure to clean off the space that you're painting. In this case, I'm painting a wall, so I'm going to clean the wall.
For the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean?
So the wall is clean. I cleaned all the walls because it's just not, it doesn't make sense to only clean one wall. I cleaned all the walls and I am going to allow that to dry. While I allow that to dry, I'm going to prepare my space. But I had to come out that bathroom. Whew, it's hot, okay? I have the windows open. It's like 50 degrees outside. And yeah, I had to get the heck up out of that bathroom. Here are my needed items.
Smoke spell.
You know I cannot do anything without lip gloss, so let's get started. Be sure to protect your floor. This is what I have to protect mine. When you protect your flooring, I would do the entire floor depending on what it is that you're painting. Since this bathroom is small and it's only stencil paint that I'm doing, I don't need to protect the entire floor because I'm sure most of the paint will end up on me anyway. Which brings me to my next helpful tip for you while painting. Make sure that you cover your hair and wear the bummiest clothes ever. You will thank me when you don't have to peel out those little chips of paint out of your hair. Like, that's super, super annoying. I actually have on pajama pants from 1982 and a Thankful shirt, and it's, you know, just as bummy is gonna get.
Just wanna let it all go.
When I first thought about doing stencil in the bathroom, I knew I wanted something that would be subtle in color. So when I thought about it, I was like, you know what? I don't even have to go buy any paint because I still had so much paint left over from when my kitchen was remodeled and the bathroom, my girls' bathroom was remodeled. Okay, so the color that I am painting with is platinum. I'm digging it. I think it looks pretty. My daughter, my 10-year-old, said it looks like an old lady bathroom. She is so funny. She says the craziest off-the-wall things. I did explain to her one good thing about paint is if you don't like it, you can paint over. If you make a mistake, you can fix it. It's not like wallpaper or wood or anything like that. It's just paint. Besides that, nothing in my home is permanent. I like to change things up often.
Is this over? Oh, is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Be over now? Is this over now? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now?
I'm having some issues with this tape sticking to the wall because the wall is super clean. So it's kind of annoying, which it made me mess up a lot. But if worse comes to worse, I'll paint over it.
Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now?
So we are now in my daughter's room. So this is what I was gonna do to her room, but I still have to paint it. I just wanted to see what that looked like, and I think it looks really, really good. So I'm gonna start with this wall. This is gonna be a process. I am not gonna finish this today because our drywall sucks. So she's gonna have to have several coats, obviously, because of the color of her room. What I'm painting with right now is a paint and primer ultra bright white. It's the whitest white you can get because what I'm going to end up doing is she's going to have an accent wall of blue and then some sort of other color that I'm not really sure of yet. One thing I will tell you, never ever put letters on the wall. Oh my goodness, it took us forever to get these off. I'm editing this video like 4 days later and my fingertips are still very sore.
Self go, just let go.
Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the like button as it helps my channel. That way you can see part 2 of this video. Always remember we all have a road and a destination on things that we have to do in life or places that we need to be or what our destination and destiny is, what our purpose is, that sort of thing. So no matter what road you're on right now, walk proud with your head high.
Concrete, just you and me. Hold me now. Tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go.
So for the update, we got a lot accomplished and most of the paint, you know, is on me, which is why I'm dressed the way that I'm dressed and why I have something covering my head because it's in my hair too. So anyway, let's see what we got going on here. This looking pretty crazy, right? Yeah, so anyway, this is what we have going on. We're almost not finished because it ain't anywhere near being finished. Anyway, this little kid is crazy. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.